Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. You may be wondering, what is this room that you are standing in? And this is our new bedroom, and it is a little echoey in here because we haven't moved all of our stuff in here. But this is the new bedroom that Kyle and his dad have been building for the whole month of January, and literally the only thing that needs to be done is this window. So once the window is done, and then we can move our bed in here and I can start making this room look cozy and homey and us. We ended up doing board and batten. So it's the same thing that's in the other room, but I went with a more neutral tone this time around because I think that it'll just go better with every season and I won't get tired of it. I was kind of getting tired of the black and the green, and so I did a more brown color. But I'm wanting to do a few DIYs today. I'm wanting to work on the gallery wall for my daughter's nursery, and so I thought that I would bring you guys along. If you've been following my channel for a couple weeks now, you know that I'm challenging myself to thrift my daughter's entire nursery, and thrifted frames is on that list. So I have most of the frames that I need, but I'm just going to go to the thrift store today. I'm gonna look for thrifted frames for my daughter's nursery. Anything that just speaks whimsical girls' room vintage. I'm also just looking for a few things for our new bedroom, whether that be wall art or anything that screams the inspo that I am going to put up here and overlay, which is like cottage core, cozy, lived in antique look. And so we're gonna go thrifting today. We're gonna see what we're gonna find, but this is the bump date. I'm officially 25 weeks pregnant, which is absolutely crazy to think. My bump is out there. It is what it is. People can tell I'm pregnant. There's no hiding it, but this is the update. I'm so excited, guys. It feels like things are actually happening. We're gonna do some nesting this vlog. I've started hanging baby clothes up in her closet, and I'm gonna give you guys obviously a little closer look at what everything is looking like. But I'm just really excited for this chapter, and I hope you are too. So without further ado, let's make a fun Valentine's Day themed coffee before we head to the thrift store today. So let's do it. I'm taking my coffee to go. I'm using a to-go cup, and I have a 12-ounce to-go cup. I wish it was a little bit bigger, but this is what we're using today. Perfect Valentine's Day themed coffee is this Chobani chocolate covered strawberry creamer. So good. So we're gonna pour that in as our base. Just a little bit. We don't want too much, or else it's gonna taste too much like strawberry chocolate milk. Then we're gonna go in with some whole milk. And then to top it off, our espresso. I'm gonna put a little bit more ice on top. And just like that, you have a to-go coffee that tastes like Valentine's Day to take with you to go thrifting. All right, I've got my coffee, a cute outfit, and some inspo. Let's go get some things done for today, and let's see what we can find thrifting. All right, I am back from the thrift store. I only went to one place because I was trying to stick to the plan, and we did. I thrifted one frame, and I am gonna show you what the gallery wall looks like. I'm so excited for you guys to see it. So let's start off with a little thrift haul and what I got. I'm really trying to thrift larger clothes as my belly grows because I am just not wanting to spend tons and tons of money on maternity clothes because here soon I'm not going to be wearing them anymore, and so I'm just getting a bigger size so that they're comfy for postpartum too. So one of the first things that I got was this oversized towel material shirt. It's the Dawn Kinney brand. It was $4, and it has this cute little floral blue, like lavender, purple, yellow, and white floral print. I love this. I have some green gingham shorts that I also thrifted that I think would look great with the shirt. So I thrifted it. It was a large. It's gonna grow with my belly, especially when May comes around and it's getting kind of hotter. I am just trying to thrift all of my clothes for pregnancy. So that was a cool find. And then this may be one of my favorite finds ever of clothing. I literally gasped when I saw this, but it is this yellow vintage collared top. It's a large, which is absolutely perfect because I can wear it during pregnancy and after pregnancy. So it is perfect for spring and summer. It's an extra large, and it just has this cute little collared top with the little puffed sleeves. This is adorable and will look so good. I'm so excited to style this. So those were the two shirts that I got. They both were $4. So I thought that was a good deal for clothes. Now let me show you the frame that I got. The print that is in this frame did not come with it, but I thrifted this wooden frame today. It was $2, and I really liked the color of the wood, and I kind of want to mix and match with this gallery wall. I want to do gold, I want to do wood. I'm not really sticking to one frame, especially when I'm trying to challenge myself to do a completely thrifted, secondhand, use what I have gallery wall. I'm really not going to be picky because sticking to one thing might be too difficult. So I found this frame for $2 at the thrift store, completely fine. And then I actually found these free printables online. I just looked up cute vintage free printables, and this was one of the ones that I found. Is this cute little duck with floral around it, and I found it and I printed it off at Walmart. So this is one of my faves. But let's head into our nursery and put this gallery wall together. I am so excited.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things. Mountain laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and a hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Gold hair, gold rings, gold leaves.
Okay, this is her closet. It is crazy that all of our stuff used to be in here, but I picked up some more hangers from Walmart the other day, and all those bags are full of clothes that I still need to go through and put up, but I have them separated. These are her like 0 to 3 clothes, and I just bought this cute little onesie set for her from TJ Maxx, and it is the cutest little thing. The gingham, oh my gosh, I literally cannot wait to see her in these. But yeah, 0 to 3, these are all her 0 to 3 clothes. We've got some sleepers in here, and then I have 3 to 6 and then 6 to 9, and so I'm trying to separate them, like, but this closet is completely big enough for her. I have all of her bows in here, which definitely need to go through those. This is her, where her clothes are, and then, I mean her shoes. This is where her shoes are, which I don't really suspect her wearing a lot of shoes for a while. And then her hats, I have some bonnets in here that my sister-in-law gave me. Literally so freaking cute. I cannot wait to put her in little bonnets. And then I have the Mom Cozy pump. This kind of still needs to be organized, but instead of it just sitting out in our kind of current place of sleeping, I just put it there and I will organize it later. And then, yeah, and then I have her little bouncer right here, and that's kind of what we're working with right now, but I am gonna hang up some more clothes later. So we are waiting on them to finish the window in our bedroom so that we can finish painting. I'm gonna paint her the board and batten pink, but I got this little stencil from Amazon that we are going to stencil everything above this board and batten pink as well, and it's going to give off a wallpaper look. So I'm going to take you guys along with me in that process. Not really sure when we're going to be able to start it, because like I said, the window in our second bedroom is still not done yet, but this is one of my projects that I'm going to be working on for her room. So this is the bedroom right now. This is the window that still needs to be put in, and so we can't really do much until that's done. This is what it's looking like right now. We did board and batten for our bedroom just like we did in the other room, and I went with a beige color just because I feel like it will just go with everything. It's less of a commitment. Green was good, but I just felt like I got tired of it quick, so I tried to pick a color that I wouldn't get tired of. I'm also going to paint the window seal that color as well. I just think it'll look so good and just add a little bit more character to this room. We did 9-foot walls in here, like ceiling in here, instead of the 12 that is in the rest of the house, and I love it. And then this is our closet. It is so much bigger, you guys, and you can actually walk inside of it, but we switched that over Monday night after they finished the closet. So that's really nice. And then that is where I currently have our dresser, and haven't really styled it much. It's just kind of there for now, but I'm sure that I will bring you guys along with me when I do like a style refresh our bedroom. But yeah, it's fun to have a space to like get re-inspired to decorate and stuff. So let me know if you guys have any ideas, but I have lots of ideas. I just don't know what we're gonna be able to do. But that is the update on our bedroom. All right, this is how it turned out. I think it looks really, really good. Some of them are like lighter than others, some are darker, and I actually love the look of it. I think it looks so, so good. It took me literally an hour, you guys. And this is what it looks like up close. And I just love it. I think it looks so good, and it was super easy. And the stamp was literally $3 from Hobby Lobby, and I just used the same paint that we already had because I wanted to go with something neutral so I wouldn't get tired of it, and I loved it. And I also feel like it wasn't a huge risk because at the end of the day, if it didn't turn out or I messed up over and over again, I could just paint over it because it's paint. So I love how it turned out. Let me know what you guys think and if you have tried this. It was super duper easy.